Okay, this smells good. I was just gonna place it down. Wait! That wasn't the right axe I like. Where's my axe? Oh. Ah, I got my phone down speed dial. That's right. Hello. Come on, dude. I need you to help me find my bottle of axe. Oh, I don't need this anymore. So, can you help me find my bottle of axe? Yes. There it is! What? Where's my bottle of axe, decoy? Is this it? No, that's not the right smell. Smell it. Decoys! Oh, the axe-defying goggles. Hey, here's this. No, I just stole that. Oh, here's one. No. It's only showing bottles of axe. This is too hard. There's so many decoys. Here.
I am for sure this is your axe.
No, that's not it. I know. The bathroom. Yes.
I went to
party in here yesterday.
Today you just took a crap.
No, that's not it either. That's an imposter. Ooh, cup. Oh, let's check in here. Oh, that's Miley. Oh, that's the little Gomez. Yes. Do you know where my axe is? Do you know where my axe is? Do you know where my axe is? She doesn't know where my axe is. Let's just go check. Oh, she's Miley. I'm sorry. It's up. Oh, she's pushing that way. Susan's back here? No. Oh, under this maybe. No. Maybe we...
Watermelon. Family celebration.
Oh, I want the watermelon. Oh, maybe it's back in here. Ooh, battery. This could come in handy. Oh, here's my axe. No, that's another imposter.
I know. One and only thing. I would check over.
Oh, yeah. Here it is! My axe! Wait, this is Tab. No wonder I couldn't find it. I was looking for axe, but this is Tag. Wait.